Hey, welcome my YouTube friends to an album share that I want to share with you guys. Welcome to Scrapping It Up. My name is Vanessa Peter, and in the month of December, over on my Facebook page, we done a December daily project. Last year I taught it here on YouTube. This year I done it over on my Facebook page, and oh my gosh, it turned out amazing, amazing. So I did use the Hearth and Holiday collection from Simple Stories to decorate this, and we had a lot of the embellishments and stickers, and it just really turned out really cute. We did use the binder for this collection, and I did use gift wrapped paper that I purchased at Walmart. It is the Duck brand. Okay. So I did use that. So over here we have a place for added room because we had lots of room, and why not? So I just left that blank and used twine. So yeah, so that opens up, and there's all the numbers for the days. And then this opens up, and you have a little tuck pocket here. You have a little belly band, and I just a couple of pieces from the collection. And then this opens up, and again, you have a double stacked pocket here, and then a pocket here. Lots of room for journaling and documenting the whole month of Christmas. And then you place a photo there. And then here we have a pocket, and I just stuck a lot of the cut aparts from the collection. And then you have a pocket underneath as well. And then that just all closes up. But I hope you enjoy this. I do have a tutorial that you can purchase, and it includes all the classes and the cutting guide. So here we just kind of decorated it up 2023, and I did this so you could put a photo here. And just kind of decorated up the back. Beautiful. And then we have a little flip out here. And then we have a little pocket right here. And I did use the gift wrap paper, and I put it in between the cardstock. And so the gift wrap paper is the base, and then, of course, we decorated each side. And then I used my tearing tool all the way around, and I do show you that in the classes how to do this. It was in the prep videos. So then here you have a little tuck spot for tags. Nice place for photos in journaling. Here's a little tuck spot. But oh, this thing turned out really, really cute. Here we have our twine closure to keep this all nice and tidy. This opens up, and then this opens up. Yeah, this album was a lot of fun to make. We had a lot of fun doing this. Then over here, you have your photograph, and then you have a little tuck spot for some tags, and I just added some twine. Then here is a little tuck pocket, and we've done a little bit of stamping on the gift wrap paper. Then here I just poked a hole and tied my twine just to have a little bit of a dangle there. That opens up. Oh, this album was so much fun to make. And then here, that flips. We just decorated the tag up. Nice clean spot for a photo. And here we have some tags. We just layered up the embellishments to create that. And then this flips open. Then we have a little pocket here for some notes. Ah, never fails. We had the 6x8 paper pad. We had 12x12 sheets, and we do have stuff left. And then here's a couple of places for photos, and I just glued 3 sides. But I hope you want to make this and put all your Christmas pictures in and document the month of December. I do have a project with all the leftovers from, I had this kit that they could purchase, and we did have some leftovers, so I am coming up with another project. It's a junk journal flip-flop folio. This is a belly band. And you take this out, and this is a little tag book, and I just used some twine just to adhere it. And it has a pocket here. Nice place to put your photos. And this gift wrap from Walmart is like 40-pound paper. So I love using, you're going to see quite a few projects coming up where I use the gift wrap paper. I just love it. Love it, love it. And then I just put a couple of charms. Not charms, but pieces from the ephemera. Then here, you have a little tuck spot here. And a little pocket here. Nice place for a photo. Write some memories down. And I love this binder because it has a more room in it than the regular 2-inch binders. So who doesn't like more room? Here's Christmas Eve. Christmas morning. Just flips out. Very cute. And then here, twine closure, and that flips up, and then that flips, and then just tie your, and the same thing on the other side, because we all have lots of pictures from Christmas morning. Since this side is exactly the same. Then that flips. Then this flips open. Lots of room for photographs. And then that flips open. And then this flips open. And it has a little pocket right here. Oh, very cute. Very cute. And then this flips. We just kind of decorated it up. Then here's this little tuck spot. Just kind of glued it to where we could tuck things and tell the story. And that is the end. This is kind of a reflection page, things that I would like to see happen for next year's Christmas, what was great about it, maybe some ideas that I would like to do for next year. So this is my 2023 December daily. If you would like to learn how to make this, you can purchase the tutorial. The link is down below, and so I hope you want to make this. It's a wonderful, wonderful project. And like I said, I got a flip-flop junk journal that I'm making out of all the scraps. So that will be coming up soon, all right? All right. Well, thanks for hanging out with me. I hope you want to make this. And if you have any questions, just put them in the comments below and I will get back with you. So as always, keep scrapping. Bye-bye.